All right, I'm back with another Money Origami original. And we've got the one piece box that locks. And I was trying to figure out how I can really convince you that it locks. And I found a way, so I thought I'd share a preview. Not sure if I'm going to be able to do the video tonight. And somebody wanted me to do the tutorial on the spinning top, and I haven't forgot about that. I just want to make it where everybody can make it, because everybody doesn't have a silver round laying around. But anyway, so it was like, here was the concept one, and it's really cruddy, of course, but I knew it would work, and it was going to work out. And then I had a different idea for a lock, and I made this box, and it closes good, and it stays shut pretty tight. And this is not the video that the box is going to be, but let's just show a demonstration, because there's a few of these little boxes with lids, and let's put something in it. 3 dimes and 2 nickels in the box. Close the box. Now let's see how well that stays shut. So what I got is a piece of tape, and I stick that on the top and lift up, and I'll tip it up. Came open. Tip the coins this way. Okay, it doesn't lock, and then you put a quarter in there, and it comes open. Well, I was surprised it opened with the other coins in there at that time. So now I'm getting a new piece of tape, and here's the locked box. And let's get a big piece too, so it sticks all the way across. And now I have a lot of stuff in this box, and it doesn't open. See, and it's trying a little bit, but it didn't even open. See, it's locked shut. And what's in there? I think it's $8.50. So let me open it up, because it's secret for now. But it locks. And yeah, that's what was in there. All that. And it stayed shut without the top opening. So that's going to be pretty cool. It's going to be coming up soon. Thanks for watching the preview. And anything you can do if you want to help support the channel is like and subscribe and sharing the videos. That's all I really know to do right now. Oh yeah, and that's right, if you actually watch 50% or more of the time, so even if you have to put it on fast play or something, that actually really helps quite a bit. Yeah, that's what I was noticing about the information from YouTube. All right, well, thanks a lot, and we'll get back to you real soon with more videos.